In this video, we're going to review the estimating process, receiving the inspection and creating the estimate. So for this example, on this vehicle here, I've gotten a notice here that I can either access by clicking the icon there and seeing that I have some recommendations there. It is also over here on the chat where I click on that and I have several different vehicles in here with different messages, but right now I'm working on the Nissan and I'm seeing these concerns here. So from here I can click on the vehicle there and open up the repair order and access it that way, or I see that there's a message there and I can also click on the upper left hand corner to access, or the wrench icon. Any of those will serve the same purpose and open up that work order. Now in this case, I've seen the message that there are some recommendations and I know that I'm going to start building my estimate in my point of sale. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the lock. And what I'm doing essentially here is blocking any jobs that I add to the point of sale from populating on the tablet for either of the technicians or any technicians that have jobs assigned, and having an issue there with jobs getting worked on that have not been approved. So I'm going to lock it because now I'm going to go in and look at my estimate. Here's my repair order and my work order. I'm going to go to my inspection and I'm going to review the items in here and see what issues have come up and what recommendations are being made, and start building my estimate. And we have also a update work order depending on the point of sale that will import canned jobs when you set those up in the inspection sheet. But today I just wanted to do a basic overview. This is a little bit more in depth and we can do that on a different training further down the line. So I'm reviewing this, I'm working on my point of sale, I'm building the estimate, I have my estimate all done, and I want to go ahead and just take a quick peek. I'm going to click on that view button and I want to see what does this look like before I send it out to my customer. And so I've got some past items, I've got some immediate action items with definitions of what needs to be done. There's some videos there so the customer can see all this stuff, and it looks good. So I'm going to go ahead, and my estimate is done, and I'm going to go ahead and send that inspection off to the customer. So now that I've sent that off to them, now I have to click OK. So they're going to get that inspection report there, and if we did everything properly and told them in the beginning that this was going to happen, the customer is expecting that this is coming, they'll have an opportunity to look at it, and when they call back, you just want to review the pricing of the items that need to be done. More than likely they've already made up their mind based on that inspection which items they're going to go ahead and purchase today. So you go ahead and get those items authorized in your point of sale, and once you do that, you can go ahead and click the unlock button, and any of those approved jobs will automatically be sent to the default technician as approved work so that they can go ahead and go in there and do the additional work, and we can just keep moving on and have a nice productive day and get that customer taken care of.